In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're looking at a view that makes planning easy. Month or week view works best for spotting patterns. This gives you a clear canvas to design your shift plan without losing track of the bigger picture. If you're managing multiple teams or locations, keeping things organized from the start will save you a lot of time later. To keep shifts separate from your personal events, create a dedicated calendar. Look on the left side under Other Calendars and click the plus icon. From the options that appear, choose Create New Calendar. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name, something like Shift Schedule or the team's name, and add a short description if you want. After you create it, make sure it's selected so events you add will land on the right calendar. You can always color code it later to make it stand out. Now it's time to add your first shift. Click directly on the date and time slot where the shift begins. In the event window, enter a concise title, such as Morning Shift or Front Desk AM. Set the exact start and end times so the duration is accurate. Use the description field for helpful notes, duties, handoff instructions, or links to checklists, and add a location if that helps your team. For repeating patterns and rotations, open the Does Not Repeat dropdown and choose Custom. This is where rotations come to life. You can have the shift repeat weekly on specific days, every few days, or in a pattern that matches your staffing model. For example, set it to repeat every 2 weeks for alternating weekends, or every third day for a rotating coverage cycle. Use the end date or number of occurrences to control how long the pattern runs. If your rotation has different start times across days, create separate events for each unique time block to keep things crystal clear. When the event looks right, add participants so the right people are notified. Type in their email addresses in the Guests or Add Participants field. Guests can see the events on their own calendars, receive updates, and, depending on your settings, RSVP or suggest changes. This helps everyone stay aligned and reduces back and forth messages. Finally, click Save. If prompted, send invitations so participants are notified immediately. Review the calendar to confirm the shift appears as expected and repeats according to your custom pattern. Repeat the process for other shift types and your rotation will be ready to go.